Loisa, mabait ba si Ray? Mabait. Oh. Okay.
Something that moved me now.
Raymar, pakalbas sa ilog ang ipagparito, pangmakay sa dibdib si Loisa, na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Who knew two could fit so right? Oh, my love is beginning. We have found something worth living for. I've got my head in the clouds. Oh, my love is beginning now.
Kailangan ng dasal. Magdasal tayo sa Diyos. At habang kayo nabubuhay, dasal ng dasal, simba ng simba, para biyayaan kayo ng Panginoon.
My love is beginning. We have found something worth living for. I've got my head in the clouds. Oh, my love is beginning. Oh, my love is beginning. We have found something worth living for. I've got my head in the clouds. Oh, my love is beginning now. Love is beginning now.
So mga kapatid, napakahalaga yung personal na buhay. Yung pang-araw-araw na buhay. Loisa, pagbasin mo ang ipagbato upang makaisang dibdib si Raymar na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan, simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong argay ng mga supling na ipagkakalob ng pong may kapal upang sila inyong palakihin bilang mabuting mamayang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
Raymar, hanggang 25 years, ikaw ang unan ni Eloisa. At ikaw, Eloisa, ikaw ang kumot ni Raymar. Sana, ilintay niyo na lang yan, no? Ikaw yung babaeng pinakasalan ko, hindi dahil ikay maganda, kundi dahil mabait ka pa. At asahan mo, ako'y maging mabait din sa'yo.